In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find e-commerce clients on LinkedIn in just 5 minutes. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for networking and engaging with potential clients, especially in the e-commerce industry. Let's dive in and explore how you can harness this platform to build fruitful business relationships. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. It's a straightforward step, but a crucial one. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. For those who prefer convenience, LinkedIn offers the option to sign in with Google or Microsoft accounts. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's free and incredibly valuable for professional networking. Once you're logged in, you might encounter a two-factor authentication step. This is LinkedIn's way of ensuring your account's security by sending a verification code to your phone. Simply enter the code when prompted and you'll gain access to your account. Now you're ready to start your search for potential e-commerce clients. Next, head over to the jobs section, which you can find at the top of your LinkedIn page. Even though we're not job hunting in the traditional sense, this section is loaded with tools and features that can be tailored to identify clients in your niche. Begin with a broad search using the keyword e-commerce to identify relevant profiles. You'll find a diverse range of results, but don't worry, we'll be narrowing these down as we go along. The idea here is to initially cast a wide net and then refine your approach as we apply more filters. Now, let's refine the search by incorporating operators like and or to target specific titles. Think about the roles that have decision-making power in the e-commerce space. Keywords like owner, VP, director, or manager are great starting points. For instance, searching for e-commerce and owner or VP or director or manager will help you zero in on individuals who are likely to have influence or authority in e-commerce businesses. To make your search even more efficient, consider using not to exclude certain titles such as intern or assistant. This step is essential to focus your efforts on individuals more likely to make decisions about partnering or engaging with your business. By following these tips and techniques, LinkedIn can become a treasure trove of potential clients in the e-commerce sector. Remember to personalize your outreach messages and be genuine in your approach. The key is to build authentic connections that are mutually beneficial. With practice, finding and connecting with e-commerce clients on LinkedIn will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching and happy networking.